Samsung isn't the player in the wearables market, but it has managed to maintain a solid lead with its Wear OS devices. The competition got tougher when Google introduced its Pixel Watch. Now they are back with a second-generation device, making it harder for shoppers to decide. The real question is, should you go for the Pixel Watch 2 or stick with the established Samsung Galaxy Watch line? When it comes to design and aesthetics, both new generations don't bring any changes to their lineups. The minimalistic Google Pixel Watch 2 looks almost identical to its predecessor, except for the switch from steel to recycled aluminum materials. Similarly, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 bears a resemblance to its predecessor, the Galaxy Watch 5, with some minor adjustments in dimensions. Both watch lines feature color AMOLED displays. However, the Galaxy Watch 6 takes precautions by protecting its screen with a sapphire crystal. On the hand, the Pixel Watch 2 adopts made Corning Gorilla Glass 5 that has a sleek curved shape, giving it a more futuristic appearance. The Pixel Watch 2 also introduces a crown similar to that of Apple Watches. This rotating dial makes navigating through menus and features on device easy, without compromising on the look of the watch. Additionally, there is one side button that seamlessly blends into the case of this smartwatch. Users of the Galaxy Watch 6 rely on the two side buttons to navigate the device. For more tactile interaction, shoppers can opt for the device's pricier sibling, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This model adds a rotating bezel for a more traditional aesthetic and easier on-device navigation. Like the base model, it's available in two case sizes. As far as durability, both designs offer 5 ATM water resistance as well as IP68 ratings for dust resistance. The Galaxy Watch 6 also earns a military standard certification. These specs put both lineups on par with comparable wearables at these price points. At a level, the Pixel Watch 2 and the Galaxy Watch 6 offer similar experiences because they both run on Google's latest Wear OS 4. This updated platform brings power efficiency updates for Google apps and third-party apps. The Pixel Watch 2 runs on a Qualcomm chipset, while the Galaxy Watch 6 utilizes an Exynos chipset. Both of these internals provide quick experiences, although they have their differences. The Galaxy Watch 6 series incorporates Samsung's One UI 5 watch skin to modify the Wear OS interface, giving it less of a Google feel compared to the Pixel Watch 2. Nevertheless, both watches offer third-party app experiences centered around Google apps and access to the functionality of the Google Play Store. In terms of storage capacity, the Pixel Watch 2 provides users with space at 32 GB compared to the Galaxy Watch 6 storage of 16 GB. On the hand, when it comes to battery life, Samsung's smartwatches outshine those of the Pixel Watch 2. The specific battery cell size varies depending on the model. However, both sizes of the Galaxy Watch 6 claim up to 40 hours of use between charges. Although improved from its predecessor model, the Pixel Watch 2 specifies to only 24 hours of use before needing a recharge. This difference holds importance for individuals who are interested in tracking their sleep and monitoring their overall wellness. Speaking of that, both watches provide health and fitness tracking capabilities. The Pixel Watch 2 offers integration with Fitbits ecosystem, enabling sleep monitoring, activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, and stress tracking through its new EDA sensor. Additionally, it comes with an ECG app, temperature tracking, SPO2 monitoring, and soon it will even utilize AI to offer personalized insights. Moreover, each purchase includes a 6-month trial of Fitbit Premium, an addition for health enthusiasts. On the hand, the Galaxy Watch 6 also boasts its native health and fitness apps that offer similar wellness tracking features like heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, activity tracking, temperature monitoring, and SPO2 measurement. It even includes an impedance sensor for body composition analysis and a blood pressure monitoring system. However, it's worth noting that certain Galaxy Watch 6 features, such as blood pressure monitoring, are exclusive to Samsung phones. To the Pixel Watch 2 providing an optimized experience for Pixel phone users. Regardless of your choice, though both options support smartwatch features such as on-wrist phone calls, text messages, notifications, voice assistants, as well as customizable watch faces from various sources. In the end, both models come equipped with a range of safety features, including fall detection. The Pixel Watch 2 takes it a step further by introducing Safety Check, a feature that offers reassurance in vulnerable situations. Samsung has been in the smartwatch game for quite some time now. They have built a successful lineup. The Galaxy Watch 6 is impressive in aspects from its health and fitness tracking capabilities to its features and durability. What's more, it offers battery life compared to Google's devices, making it more convenient for users. If you're a Samsung phone user, the Galaxy Watch would probably be the choice for you. It's also cheaper available in sizes, even comes with a rotating bezel. On the hand, the Google Pixel Watch 2 has its unique appeal. It stands out from wearables, provides a pure Google Wear OS experience with its unadulterated software. Additionally, it incorporates Fitbits' health and fitness platform. In the future, this device will even utilize Google's AI tools to offer guidance toward users' wellness goals. If you own a Pixel phone or prefer a Google interface, this might be your option. Now that we've discussed both watches, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which one do you think is more appealing? Please share your opinions in the comment section, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on our channel. See you for the next time. Peace out.